Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to recover your Bigo Live account. When you've forgotten your password during the login process on Bigo Live and you don't know what to do next, keep watching the video till the end since we'll be learning how to recover your account when you've lost your password. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Select your country code from the drop down and then type in your phone number. Once you do that, tap on the next button. On the next page, you'll be asked for your password. If you'd like to recover your password since you've forgotten it, tap on the Forgot Password link right below. Once you tap on that, you'll need to confirm your phone number. Once you confirm that, tap Next. A verification code will be sent to you on your mobile number. Simply type it in, but if you are using the same device, it'll be typed in automatically. Once you type in the verification code, type in the password that you'd like to change to. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and finally tap Done. After you do that, your password will be reset to a new one. Also, you'll be logged into your Bigo Live account. That is how you can easily recover your forgotten Bigo Live account's password quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.